Find the coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle whose vertices are 8, 6, 8, minus 2, 2, minus 2. Also find its circumradius. Okay, so for you circumcenter is a new word. Okay, so to explain this I have just drawn a diagram. Inside a circle any other figure we will draw, and that center will be called as circumcenter, because this triangle is circumscribed inside the circle. Circumscribed means it will be drawn inside the circle, and encircle means circle will be given inside the triangle. Okay, so these are the two different words you have to remember, circumcircle and encircle. And this center is called as circumcenter. We have to find out the coordinates of circumcenter, that is O. So I have just drawn a diagram. These are the radius for the circle, because any line which touches the center and which joins to the circumference of a circle is called as radius. Okay, so there are three radius I have drawn because three vertices are given in the triangle. So from the given triangle we can easily assume that OA equals to OB equals to OC, because all are equals to radius. All the distances will be same because all are radius. Okay, so OA equals to OB equals to OC, all the three are radius. That's why I have written everything, all the three are equal. If we will equalize first, OA equals to OB, that means we have to find out the distance between OA and OB first. Okay, so I will use the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root. Okay, square root will be cancelled. Now we will substitute the value x2 minus x1, that means x minus 8, OA is x minus 8 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equals to x minus 8 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. We will bring both the terms this side because you can see these two terms are same, it will be cancelled. Okay, so I wrote these two as it is. This term when we will bring towards LHS it will become minus. Again this term when we will bring this side it will become minus. Y minus minus plus 2 whole square. X minus 8 whole square, x minus 8 whole square. Here plus sign is given, here minus sign is given. So both the terms will be cancelled. Now y minus 6 whole square minus y plus 2 whole square is left. We will use the formula a minus b whole square for this. A square plus b square minus 2a and b minus a square plus b square plus 2a and b. Write them inside the bracket because in front of them minus sign is there. This will be multiplied inside. Okay, in the next step, y square plus 36 minus 12y minus y square minus 4 minus 4y. Okay, y square and y square will be cancelled. Minus 12y minus 4y is minus 16y, minus minus plus. 36 minus 4 is 32. Take 32 that side, it will become minus 32. Divide minus 16 here. Minus minus cancels, 16 2s are 32. So the value of y is, so now we are going to equalize OB equals to OC. For both the side we will use distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root. Okay, for both the sides square root will be cancelled. X minus 8 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Okay, one more thing you remember, whenever there will be variable and the other coordinates will be numbers, then always you write the variable first then number, like x minus 8 y plus 2 x minus 8 y minus 6. In this way you write, don't write number first then variable, always you write first variable then numbers. Okay. So you can see here that these two terms are same. In the previous condition x minus 8 was same. Here y plus 2 will be same. So I will bring all the terms this side. It will become x minus 8 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square minus x minus 2 whole square minus y plus 2 whole square equals to 0. These two will be cancelled because one is plus, one is minus. Okay, use a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus a square plus b square minus 2a and b equals to 0. X square plus 64 minus 16x minus x square minus 4 minus minus plus 4x equals to 0. X square and x square will be cancelled. Minus 6x plus 4x is minus 12x. Okay, 64 minus 4 is plus 60 equals to 0. Take 60 that side. Minus 12x equals to minus 60. Divide 12 here. X equals to minus 60 by minus 12. Minus minus cancel. 12 5 ja 60. So the value of x is 5. That means the circumcenter, the coordinates of circumcenter is x comma y, that is 5 comma 2. Okay, and the circumradius will be the length of OA. Okay, either OA or OB or OC, anything. So we will find out the distance of OA. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root. In place of xy you use 5 and 2. 5 minus 8 whole square plus 2 minus 6 whole square, square root equals to 5 minus 8 is minus 3 square, 2 minus 6 is minus 4 square, square root equals to, minus is plus, so 3 3s are 9, minus minus plus 16 square root, 9 plus 16 is 25 square root. So the value of OA is 5 units, that is circumradius. So I hope you might have understood everything whatever I have explained. If you have any queries you can ask me in my comment box so that I can clarify all your doubts. Okay, thank you all of you.